to my channel. This is your girl Ra, and you are tuning in to Life of Ra, period. Today, as you can see, my makeup is done. I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday look. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So stay tuned and keep watching to see how I got this look. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start on my brows, and I'm just taking the other end of my Makeup Revolution Precise pencil, and I'm just filling in my brows and all of that good stuff. You know how brows go, so I'll probably check back in once I'm done the brows. Okay, so now after I'm done shaping and filling in my brows, I'm just going to go in with my translucent Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just setting my eyelid space because I don't want any like what did I say, crackling or whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that on my lids. This will help if I wanted to do an eyeshadow look, but I'm just doing an everyday glam, so I just need this to be set. Okay, baby. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this NYX eyeliner. I believe it's matte, so it dries down really fast. I love this freaking liner. It's so affordable as well. You can get it at any hair store or I don't know, maybe Ulta or whatever. But yeah, so I'm just doing my wing right now, and please don't judge me because today was just not a good wing day at all, period. So if you see it all messed up in the video, don't say nothing. Just, you know, just watch me and just it's like, no, but yeah, I'm not gonna always get a perfect wing day every day. So yeah, don't come for me. now it is time to make sure my face is nice and hydrated and primed and ready for that foundation, period. So I'm using this Milk Grip Primer. It's a Hydro Grip Primer. I love this, absolutely love this. I use this all the time on me and my clients as well. So you really want to like work it into your face. You want it to become tacky so that it can take on the foundation. So now I'm putting on my foundation. I believe I'm using Maybelline Fitme 355, if I'm not mistaken. But like right now I'm like in a transitional phase where I'm like, I don't even know what my shade is. So this might be a little bit like just like orangey or dark. But I promise you, I set it down with my concealer and contour. So yeah, it's just so hard to find a good match shading foundation, especially if you one color in one season and another color in another season. It just becomes too much. Tell me if you guys have this problem, because I know I do. Alright, now it's time to conceal these bags. It's like, no, but yeah, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So I'm just placing the concealer in all the places that I want to conceal. Okay, so now it's time for contour, and I'm using my black opal foundation stick. I'm not sure the exact shade it is, but it probably will be in the description box below, and I'm just placing it in everywhere that I want to contour. So now that I did all of that highlighting and contouring, I'm just going to blend out everything. So I like to start on the areas like my forehead and chin, blending those out before I start blending my under eye, because I want it to become a little bit tacky. And so it'll give me more of a full coverage look. And I look crazy, oh my god. Anyways, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm just blending, getting the face together. And I don't even think my beauty blender was really wet. Like, that's why I wasn't really doing what it was supposed to be doing. Like, what are you doing? So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of minutes. But now this step is optional. See, me, I like to go back in with my concealer just because like I have those like hollow eyes, and I really be like trying to conceal those, and it's so hard to do that. So I just go back in with my concealer and I like place it right up on top of it, above it or underneath it, so I can get like to conceal that area, I want to say. It's time to set this face grill. So I'm using my Madamglow and to set under my eyes or wherever that I concealed that before I go in with my loose setting powder. I don't know why I'm so tongue-tied today. But yeah, I got this from Making Beauty. That girl, she does what needs to be done. But yeah, so now I'm going in with the medium deep and the Sasha buttercup mixed together. When I tell y'all, perfect for me, because the Sasha's too yellowy, too light, and the Laura Mercier medium deep is too dark for me. But yeah, I'm just setting it in, and yeah. So everywhere that you contour with liquid, you want to go back in with the powder just so you can set that contour. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using my black Radiance medium to deep, or is it dark to deep? Whatever. Using that to basically contour my cheeks and my forehead and my chin. So, yeah.
Watching my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to watch my channel, okay? So yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll talk to you guys later, and until we meet again in our next video.
Oh, you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up.